Hello all. Gave my pin in my cell phone, since weeks, ... It says at first try, wrong assignment, I watch it, ... It's correct, so I do second try, same, A.
Connected dizzly chizzly. Ah, it's too loud. Freaks. These ones are good. I won't wait the turnips for the free to buy radish, please. But this just read requirement. What now, R.I.P? What is this? Soil it everywhere. Soil. Cow dung. What to do? Okay, do it fast. We need to sell. Selling something. Who to shop? Or how to sell? Oh my god, we have to sell to these freaks. Oh, what happened? Do you want to really skip? Skip. Her smiling. Oh, my douchebag will be stuff. Skip. Garbage dung. Oh, I feel so delightful now. Skip. Skip. Bullshit. Played this weird game there, there's the rats or something. Skip. This is day 7, right? We left. Ultimate. Yes, I do. I hated the game. Up and down is left and right. Can't remember even what's going on with that game. Then the robot boss is coming. So it must be actually for the first time. Should be easy. You get destroyed in seconds. Running all the time out of nose. Nitro oxygen. Piggity pig. Pluck pluck. Was that celery or spargel? What does spargel in English mean? Ooh. Rise my sunshine. Let's go to the shop. But it's such a big good one. It's like spargel over here. Sugar cane. Oh, come on, this is too easy. What? Spargel? Heißt Sugarcane? Da ist der Spargel schon schwer zum Ausreden. The Sugarcane? Are you kidding me? Zuckerstänkchen? Seid ihr vollkommen verblödet? Zuckerstangen? Ich meine, ihr könnt es gerne auch mal grün essen, bevor es überhaupt reif ist. If you not want to get poisoned or something, but they're calling it sugarcane. Poison sugarcane, they don't know. Green, poison sugarcane. Shoot. Oh God. This is the translation in English. Oh. That hurts, man. That seriously hurts. It's a hot pepper. Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Well, why is it called? I feel lost. They don't have names for that? Hey, is it windy outside? I have 32 degrees here in my room, and it's not sinking here. Oh. Wow, gets water in here. Better closing up this one. You know, if the weekends is getting hot all the time, shut. Just you go to work the week, something. Just, you know, you blame yourself by actually having a little hot weekend or something, and going back to also hot work week, you know. Man, last week, you better say this week, it was a disaster. So end up this very fast in here, because I just want to go to GTA, because I'm getting so bored by these games. I already deleted the Steel Rat there. This is bullshit. Played good games yesterday, but, you know, I get bored about the Elder Scrolls Online. I get bored by the Crew Motorsport. Even actually, CarX is not my thing anymore. Now I'm playing children games or something. Even they, it's so complicated. You think, I don't know. Who just created these games? What? Getting my brain get duller or something? Every year, every day? Oh, what happened now? I didn't press something. What do you want? So that was something 11, and before it was a 6 as well, so we are at 17, so actually 8 is missing. And there's the 8 tournaments. Turnip. Oh my god, that it just... Alright. That's exactly what I was searching for! My mother always my mother always liked these on her sits. Always wanted to say, stick it up to your nose until you can no bleed. And I have fresh brain after all. Did I just say something? I feel so voided here. Oh, dignity.
I couldn't help. Will you buy it for your mom?
No, I'm a cook in a restaurant. Sorry, cook. Because he's the Grand Tour. Everything is something like cock here, cock there.
I'm a cock.
My mom likes to eat cock for her. Oh, come on, get your cock somewhere else. Oh. The face. Cock here, cock there.
That is cool. Feel free to come back anytime.
Come back anytime. I will have vegetables on the next level. Hold on the next level? Can they fly or something? Or just transmuting something to help on your wrist.
That's it.
What?
You know vegetables the next level because there will be better ones.
Improved because of my experience gain.
Oh, I see. Anyway, my name is Marco. Marco. Thanks for the vegetables.
That's to sell some? Oh my gosh, how'd you get the $1,000 together? I mean, I just was getting what? Not even the price when I'm just buying these. I'm confused, man. Why for so less? For 5, 8, so it's carry out 30. Right, 30. Okay, you get double time the money, but where are my thousands? Oh man, why I just was getting this away? How many fucks is this? Oh gosh. So what did he radish or what is it again? Where are we going? I get confused, man. Farm Stacy, 10 days. So we need onion. 5. 26? Oh my gosh. 26. So let's do the 5 onions and these 8 irgendwas. Alright, let's just see. Oh man, this control is making me sick. Hold on, that was something you can do with them. What the hell is that? We have only 5. Oh my gosh. Ah, need a shop, man. This is getting 8 of them. Oh, come on, I'll just make 8. We're running out of money. 2 of them. Oh, we can make minus. Ah, I thought minus we can make. Skip the day. No. What's this light actually? The right side up there. Jesus, God. God. How to find out what kind of time we have? Yeah, I have no money, man. How to make money in this game? That takes forever. Day then. You always forget things like that, you know. Don't just in the supermarket let it happen just you can buy whatever you want. That's very sad. Oh, ja, das rumliegen siehst du. And that's the farmer with a tiny garden on you know. That's something, I don't know. Pipe bomb or something? yeah. Pipe bomb. Ready to pluck or something. Ich glaube, das reicht, wenn du einfach nur drauf bleibst. Okay, dokie, something to sell here. Oh man, what is wrong with these? No! Everything is at the digital thing because they're so cool now. These days. Oh, mother in trouble. 26. How to do that? Who is this guy? Permanently, you're running out of... I can't even sell something here. Is it right? Oh, sell! Oh my god. We already platinized the game, right? Bam, bam, bam. And we got the money. Grand in hand. So easy. Thought we had to do done the missions all the time. But there was something else to be done with. We have to sell. Anyways, stuff. So. Sales starter. Oh my gosh. DK videos. Alright. And no platinum. Okay, let's keep moving in here. Here we go. And 2020 trade, 2025, and platinum. Thank you very much for watching, and just let's get to actually GTA. Little farm, big legend. That was too easy. Pump that up. I'll take these anyway. Ah, that's for the animals. I think we can do done with. Man, for $1.27. Hold on a second, there's something coming up here. Oh, crawling on my ass. Be right back. Cheers, bye.